Hey guys, this is Garrett Carroll with Mahar and Associates, and today we are at this beautiful home out here in Port Richey, 9341 Gray Fox Lane out here. We currently have it listed for sale. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's just over 1,450 heated square feet. It's a really beautiful home. It has a lot to offer with a very nice big backyard. It's close to eateries, dining, movies, restaurants, and a lot more. Let's check it out.
Here we go.
I really hope you guys like this home. If you're interested in the property or homes out here in the area, please give me a call. My phone number will be right here on the screen. I'd love to give you a free consultation and help you out. If you didn't know before, I hope you know more. Team TLC out.